We believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political, and social progress of our country. We believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens, and private sector need to work together to eradicate corruption. We acknowledge our responsibility to lead by example, and the need to put in place safeguards, integrity, frameworks, and code of ethics to ensure that we are not part of any corrupt practice, and we tackle instances of corruption with utmost strict. As you know that from 26th of October up to 1st of November every year, Vigilance Events Week is being organized, and we take pledge to eradicate the corruption and make our society a corruption-free society. We ensure that all the parameters that are defined for eradication of corruption will be strictly adhered to in our offices, and especially in this RTO office. I request everybody to refrain from all such activities which lead to a corrupt society. I request all the people that they should try to see that those services which are online, which have already been done online in our this Parihan portal, they should apply for and try to help us in eradicating the corruption in the overall interest of the society. Thank you.